You just threw that right out of there, didn't you? Huh? You rascal.
Well, it's so sweet. They get to kicking and they're so exciting. You're so exciting. Aren't they? Look at those feet, Grandpa. Wouldn't you get excited too?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Here comes Grandpa. Here comes Grandpa. I didn't want you to whisper.
Michael.
Wait, jeez.
Oh, make Michael had a fun. He's kind of slipping down in there. We got to get him up a little bit.
Well, then you can't see his feet if he's up too much, can he?
Huh?
You okay?
Huh?
Well, I guess you can.
Michael. Hey, Michael. Got a grandpa, Grandpa? Yeah, he's so happy. Boop boop here and a boop boop there. Let me get those old clowns up here. I want to get a hold of them. Yeah.
There they are. You could just reach. See that old left arm go?
Yeah, I know it. How about this old right arm? Let's get that out there and get it going. Yeah, you're not going to be a left-handed old Swede, are you? Huh?
Norwegian.
Norwegian?
That's okay. You can be left-handed, can't he, Grandpa?
He can.
Camera.
Here's
Oh, you
Mr.
like that
Cow.
too? Yeah.
Hi, Mr. Hello.